Amid the banking crisis come several Bitcoin predictions, with Coinbase CEO predicting a $1 million mark in 90 days. Arthur Hayes is also expecting a $1 million price in 2023. Raoul Pal predicting $50,000 in 2023. Can Bitcoin get to $50,000 in 2023? Stay tuned as we discuss Raoul Pal's prediction that Bitcoin will reach $50,000.
To the moon!
Bitcoin's market capitalization has increased by more than 60%, reaching a $28,000 price in March, driving up the prices of other crypto assets such as Ethereum and XRP. The primary driver of this upward trend began on March 10, when the Federal Reserve announced an additional liquidity injection to stabilize the U.S. banking system. Bailouts of banks with additional liquidity may worsen the banking crisis rather than solve it, highlighting the vulnerability of the fiat financial system. Not only the banking crisis, but also short sellers buying back Bitcoin also helped the rally. We will discuss this shortly. In this context, Bitcoin is becoming a haven asset, with investors looking to save their money in Bitcoin. As an economist and Bitcoin investor, Raoul Pal, Real Vision CEO, upon analyzing things, thinks Bitcoin could cross the $50,000 mark in 2023. According to Raoul Pal, the price of Bitcoin will always rise during a global financial crisis like this one that has resulted in the collapse of some banks and has put others in jeopardy. Raoul Pal sees the current situation as an opportunity for Bitcoin to establish itself as a haven asset and gain widespread adoption. Raoul recently stated that he believes Bitcoin's value will increase by 80% in less than a year, predicting that the value of Bitcoin will skyrocket to $50,000. Thanks in part to people short-selling Bitcoin bullish corrections, in which these people are incorrectly predicting Bitcoin's fall.
The market's going to be squeezier than people expect. So I think we probably get to 50,000 faster than most people expect.
Pal revealed that the rise in Bitcoin's price could be partly attributed to short sellers who want Bitcoin to fall and make short bets on its depreciation, and are proven wrong, resulting in short selling squeezes and a stronger uptrend. Looking back at Bitcoin's history, such squeezes have historically played a significant role in driving its price up, as investors have wrongly bet against the cryptocurrency's durability and long-term potential. When the price of an asset, whether it's a stock, cryptocurrency, or commodity, unexpectedly rises, short sellers, people who bet that the asset will fall, panic and buy back the coins they borrowed to limit their losses. Fear-driven buying pressure can drive up the price of an asset even further, creating a self-perpetuating cycle that results in a significant increase in value due to buying pressure from both long buyers and short sellers. Raoul Pal believes that the cryptocurrency industry, particularly Bitcoin, will experience an exponential rise in the future due to the banking crisis. Also, the interest rates expectation helped the Bitcoin rally and may lead to Bitcoin reaching $50,000 fast. We will discuss this shortly, so watch till the end. People are becoming more aware of the benefits of cryptocurrencies as they lose faith in financial institutions and seek alternative solutions, particularly during economic downturns such as this one. Subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, and select all notifications to catch all our insightful videos that can make you money and improve your investing. In the context of these events, Raoul Pal believes that the crypto industry, led by the titan Bitcoin, is poised for tremendous growth and adoption from governments and large institutions in the coming years. However, he cautioned that, like securities and commodities, this expansion and adoption would almost certainly be accompanied by increased regulation and scrutiny from governments, regulators, and financial institutions. Pal compares the current surge in interest in cryptocurrencies to the trend seen in 2013, which resulted in one of Bitcoin's largest bull runs in history. One thing Pal mentioned, which is also a major factor in Bitcoin's future growth and potential acceleration to the $50,000 market, is the possibility that the Federal Reserve will begin cutting interest rates in the coming FOMC meetings in order to avoid a banking crisis as inflation slows.
Yeah, I think my view is the Federal Reserve probably do 25 basis points this time around because they want to show this relationship of, hey, we got Fed funds above inflation, so you can forget about inflation expectations. And the next move from the Federal Reserve will be a 100 basis points emergency cut. And it might even happen as soon as June. Just depends what happens to the banks over the next few weeks.
When the Fed lowers interest rates, investing in securities and putting money in the bank yields little to nothing for investors, making that sector less appealing and forcing them to invest in the cryptocurrency market. Low interest rates have been a significant catalyst for Bitcoin's bull run over the years and cannot be overlooked.
So let's go back to the last time we saw this, which was December 21st, 2018. The Fed just stopped and said, right, we're not going to increase the balance sheet. We're not going to raise rates any further. Not going to decrease the balance sheet. Not going to raise rates any further. Over the next 6 months, crypto was up 300%. So Bitcoin did 300 and something percent.
If you love this video, check out our video, Why Bitcoin Sets the Stage for Other Bull Run 2023, as we shared great insights you cannot afford to miss.